After India launched Operation Sindoor, a major airstrike against terror camps in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Jammu Kashmir, tensions have grown not just with Pakistan but also with Turkey. Following the airstrikes, many Indians took to social media calling for a boycott of Turkey. Why? Because reports suggest Turkey supplied drones to Pakistan shortly after the strikes. These drones could be used against India, which has angered many citizens. Even though both India and Pakistan have now agreed to a ceasefire, public anger hasn't died down. Let's take a closer look in this video and uncover what this is all about. Amid this growing backlash, the Indian government has cancelled the security clearance for a Turkish company called Celebi Aviation. This firm plays a key role at major Indian airports like Delhi, Mumbai and Bengaluru, handling ground services and cargo operations in high security zones. What is Celebi Aviation? Celebi Aviation is a Turkey-based aviation services company founded in 1958. Over the decades, it has grown into a global player, now operating in over 70 airports across 6 countries. In India, Celebi runs services under 2 branches: Celebi Airport Services India for ground handling, Celebi Delhi Cargo Terminal Management India for cargo. They work in 9 major Indian airports, handling over 58,000 flights, 540,000 tons of cargo yearly, with a team of about 7,800 employees. Why the scrutiny? Because Celebi operates in high security airport zones with access to aircraft, cargo and sensitive areas. With India's current tension with Turkey, officials are worried about national security risk. On the top of that, alleged links between Turkish drones and Pakistan have made things worse for Celebi in India. Celebi responds. In response, Celebi India CEO Tausif Khan made a public statement. Our business in India is run by Indian citizens and all operations follow Indian laws and FDI rules. None of our board members are Turkish nationals. We are fully approved by Indian security agencies. As tensions rise between India and Turkey, foreign companies with sensitive roles like Celebi are coming under serious government and public scrutiny. For now, all eyes are on how Celebi and airport authorities respond in the coming days. What are your thoughts on this? Do let us know in the comments. Till then, keep watching India TV for more updates.